Hello. Just going to do some cold calling again. I hope your cold calling's been going well for you. I'm going to make a real mix of calls today, and I'll probably just edit out all the extra time I'm spending on research in between and updating notes in between, so that you get the call and not the other bits.
One for further and higher education.
Good afternoon, Academia.
Hi, good afternoon. Actually, I don't know if I've pressed the right options here, but I'm looking to speak to
Do you know who you need to speak to, or where are you calling from? Should we start there?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll just let you know that the call's being recorded for training purposes, because that's what we do.
Okay.
I am Shia. I'm calling from Wise Me Up, and I am looking to speak to Rose Barble.
Okay, I'll see if she's available.
Thank you.
We specialise in the supply of software, hardware, training and services to the public sector, not-for-profit and commercial markets. We're your partner for the latest technology from global brands such as Apple, Adobe.
Hi there, I'm ever so sorry. She's actually not in the office today. We've got an external recruitment day going on, so our HR team are there today.
Okay, so busy.
Yeah.
I was asking for her because I think she might be the best person, but just can I check with you?
Yeah.
It's about sales training. We provide sales training for salespeople, and I wanted to know if...
It would be Rose that you would need to start with.
Okay.
I do know that we already have a company that we use, but it would be Rose that you would need to speak with.
Right, okay. Can you say who the company is that you use currently?
I wouldn't want to get into that conversation, no.
Okay, no, that's fair enough. So I'll try Rose another time then. Thank you very much. Do you know when she'll be in at all?
Not for the rest of today, so later this week would be fine.
Brilliant. Thanks for your help. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, and we'll just pause it there while I make some notes.